First, build it on top of the red holder. Now add some blocks. Now build some blocks under the other block so it doesn't fall.
It's raining tacos. Fall out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat.
Now assemble it correctly. But don't put too much marbles. Only put one marble at a time.